Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Time does not wait for anyone. It moves swiftly and silently. Those who are able to value time are valued by time. Those who waste time are in the danger of being wasted by time. A person who is wasted by time is a person who has lost the opportunity to bring out his true potential in this world for his own benefit and for the benefit of others. Every second counts if we take charge of our life. Vacant time leads to a vacant mind, and a vacant mind is the devil's playground. He will lure us in a jiffy and make us traverse terrains that we will be ashamed of. The most important thing in this regard is to pre-plan activities for vacant periods of the day. We all know that there do come these time slots every day in which we have nothing to do. Instead of killing time or procrastinating, we must think of efficiently utilizing it. Some suggestions I'd like to give in this regard so that we are able to use time in a very efficient way. Firstly, we can use our vacant time to count our blessings. We can keep track of the comforts of life that we enjoy and start by naming them one by one in our minds. This will make us thankful individuals. The second use that we can make of vacant time is to increase our vocabulary. A good occupation of utilizing spare time is to pick up a vocabulary book and add more words to a repertoire of words. The third utilization of vacant time is that we can hunt for spare things that are found in our houses. And we know that our houses are replete with such things that we know we will never use in the future. Let us choose to part from them by collecting them and then giving them away. The fourth important utility of vacant time is to memorize verses from our religious scriptures and use them and implement them in our lives. It will keep our minds tuned to God's remembrance. The fifth utility of spare time is that we can sympathize towards people by using social media. We must keep our eyes open for people who are in distress around us. Picking up the phone, writing an email, sending messages through Facebook or WhatsApp or other social media applications can be comforting for them and thus a constructive pastime for our own selves. So these are some of the suggestions that may help us occupying ourselves when we have vacant time.